If you want to transfer email subscribers from Moosend to Beehiiv, this tutorial is going to walk you through the entire process step by step. We'll cover how to export your list from Moosend, clean up the file, and then import those subscribers into Beehiiv the right way. This is a great workflow if you're moving platforms, reorganizing your audience, or just want to make sure your list is ready for your new email system. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Moosend account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the Audience section. This is where all of your mailing lists and subscriber data are stored, so it's the first place you need to go when exporting contacts. Click Audience, then open the mailing list that you want to move over to Beehiiv. Inside that list, find the Export option and click it. Moosend will prepare a subscriber file for download, usually in CSV format. This CSV file is what you'll use to transfer your subscribers into Beehiiv, so make sure the export finishes properly before moving on. After the export is ready, download the subscriber CSV file to your computer. Now open the CSV file so you can review the data before importing it anywhere else. This part is very important because you want to make sure only valid, active subscribers are included. Go through the list and remove any unsubscribed contacts, bounced addresses, or invalid email addresses. Cleaning the file first helps protect your deliverability and keeps your Beehiiv list healthier from the start. Once you've removed everything you don't want to carry over, save the cleaned CSV file. Next, log into your Beehiiv account. From the Beehiiv dashboard, click Settings. In the Settings area, look for Subscribers Import. This is where Beehiiv lets you bring in contacts from another platform. Click New Subscribers Import to start a fresh import workflow. Now select Upload CSV File. This will let you choose the cleaned CSV you just exported from Moosend. Upload the file from your computer and wait for Beehiiv to process it. Once the file is uploaded, Beehiiv will ask you to map the fields. This means you need to connect the email column and the name column correctly, so the platform knows exactly where each piece of data should go. Take a moment to double-check the mapping carefully. The email field should always be matched correctly, since that is the most important part of the import. If your CSV includes first names, last names, or any other useful information, map those too so your subscriber records stay organized. You can also add tags if needed. Tags are useful if you want to label these subscribers by source, segment, or campaign. Before you finish, review the import settings one more time. Make sure the file is correct, the field mapping is accurate, and any tags or options are set the way you want them. This final review helps prevent mistakes before the data is imported into your Beehiiv account. When everything looks good, click Import. Beehiiv will now bring in your subscribers from the CSV file, and once the process is complete, your list will be transferred over from Moosend. That means you've successfully moved your email subscribers into your new setup without having to re-enter everything manually. It's a simple process, but taking the time to clean the file and check the mapping makes a big difference. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more practical software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.